तुमचे व्हॉट्सॲपवर वचून देर इज अ सेटिंग. Go to your settings and activate two-way authentication.
Two-way authentication. Wait.
Two-way authentication. Today only, please do it. Once you do that, no one can hack your mobile.
Correct.
When you go into the two-way authentication, settings on you get a 3 dot asat tumche WhatsAppवर. You go to the 3 dots and click there. You go to the settings. From there, two-way authentication म्हणून आसा. You have to enter 6-digit code इचारता तुमका.
Correct.
First 6 digit घाले उपरांत तुमकां नेक्स्ट ऑथेंटिकेशन इट विल आस्क युअर ईमेल आय डी.
करेक्ट.
सो तुमचे ईमेल आय डी थंय घालात. देन देर इज वन मोर थर्ड ऑथेंटिकेशन पास कोड म्हणून आसात.
पास कोड.
यू कॅन कीप दॅट ऑर एल्स नो प्रॉब्लम. बट फर्स्ट 2 थिंग्स आर very important. If you want to have a full security of your number, then you can have
all the three.
Correct.
So
first ते करात. If you do that, your phone will not get hacked.